Hello, adventurers! Imagine a place that is so unique, so unbelievable that you would think it's straight out of a fantasy novel. Well, such places do exist. This world of ours is full of hidden gems and stunning spectacles that defy belief. Today, we're setting out on a journey to explore the top 10 unbelievable places that actually exist around the world. From glowing beaches to eternal lightning storms, we're about to venture into realms that will challenge your perception of reality. These are not the usual tourist hotspots. These are places that will make you question the very fabric of our world. So buckle up, friends. This is not your average travelogue, but a voyage into the extraordinary. Prepare to have your mind blown with these 10 unbelievable places that actually exist. Before we get started, could you please subscribe and give us a thumbs up? It would really help support the channel. Our first destination takes us to Turkmenistan, home to a fiery phenomenon known as the Door to Hell. This isn't your typical tourist hotspot. In fact, it's a geologist's dream turned nightmare. In the early 70s, Soviet scientists stumbled upon a cavern filled with natural gas. When the ground collapsed, they feared a methane release could poison nearby towns. So they did what seemed logical. They set it on fire, thinking it would burn off in a few weeks. Little did they know they had ignited an inferno that would continue to burn for over half a century. The Door to Hell, measuring about 60 meters in diameter and 20 meters deep, is a blazing testament to nature's unpredictable power. Its vivid flames contrast starkly against the barren desert landscape, creating a scene that is both terrifying and mesmerizing. At night, the glow can be seen from miles away, a beacon of endless fire that has earned its ominous name, a burning crater in the middle of the desert. Now that's hot. Next up, we're heading to China, where the mountains aren't just green and brown, they're a rainbow. Picture this: a mountain range that looks like it's been painted by a giant hand with a palette full of vibrant hues. But this isn't the work of a celestial artist. It's the result of geological processes that have taken millions of years. The Rainbow Mountains, located in China's Zhangye Danxia Landform Geological Park, are a stunning spectacle. Their technicolor appearance is due to the presence of different minerals in sandstone, which have been pressed together over 24 million years and then buckled up by tectonic plates. The reds, yellows, oranges, and blues that stripe the mountains are the result of this mineral-rich sandstone and siltstone, reacting and oxidizing over millions of years. The weathering and erosion have further carved the mountains into pillars, towers, ravines, valleys, and waterfalls, each of which is a unique canvas of color. So how about a hike on a path that's more than just a trail, but a journey through time itself? From fiery reds to calming blues, every step on this mountain range is a step through millions of years of Earth's history. Nature's own art exhibit, the Rainbow Mountains, never fail to amaze. Now we're off to the Maldives, where the beaches don't just sparkle in the sunlight, they glow in the dark. Imagine walking along the shoreline, the sand beneath your feet lighting up with each step you take. This is no fairy tale, it's the fascinating reality of the Maldives' glowing beaches. But what makes these beaches glow in the dark? The answer is bioluminescent plankton. These tiny organisms emit light when disturbed, a phenomenon known as bioluminescence. It's their way of defending against predators. When the waves crash or when something moves through the water, the plankton light up, creating a mesmerizing and unforgettable spectacle. Just picture it. You're standing on a beach under the vast starlit sky, and the sand and surf around you are aglow with a magical light. It's as if the stars from the sky have descended to the earth. It's a sight to behold, an experience that truly transcends the ordinary. So, if you're ever in the Maldives, make sure to visit these glowing beaches. It's an experience that's both otherworldly and absolutely real. Who knew beaches could glow in the dark, right? Ever seen Superman's Fortress of Solitude? Well, Mexico's Crystal Cave might just be the real deal. Tucked away in the depths of the earth, beneath the Nika mine in Chihuahua, Mexico, is a site that seems straight out of a fantasy novel. This is the Crystal Cave, a subterranean spectacle that was accidentally discovered by miners in the year 2000. The cave's monstrous translucent crystals, some of which stretch to lengths of over 30 feet, are a result of millions of years of natural craftsmanship. Formed by a cocktail of minerals and extreme heat, These giant selenite crystals, hanging from the ceiling and jutting from the floor, create a mesmerizing alien landscape. But don't be fooled by its ethereal beauty. The crystal cave is a harsh environment with temperatures reaching up to 136 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity levels hitting a staggering 99%, making it almost inhospitable for humans. Yet, despite its harsh conditions, the crystal cave continues to attract scientists and adventurers alike, eager to catch a glimpse of this underground wonder. A crystal fortress deep underground, talk about a hidden gem. Now brace yourself as we dive into the Indian Ocean, where Mauritius hides a waterfall beneath the waves. Mauritius, an island paradise, has a unique spectacle that will make your jaw drop. Picture a waterfall, not cascading down a mountainside, but plunging deep into the ocean's abyss. This mind-boggling phenomenon is an optical illusion created by sand and silt deposits. The movement of these particles, driven by oceanic currents, creates the impression of a cascading waterfall beneath the sea. It's an underwater ballet of nature, where sand and silt take a plunge, creating a sight that's both mesmerizing and mystifying. This illusion of an underwater waterfall is a testament to the power of nature and its ability to create awe-inspiring spectacles. So the next time you think you've seen everything, remember, there's a waterfall that defies gravity in the heart of the Indian Ocean. An underwater waterfall, now that's a deep secret. Our next stop is Peru, where a river doesn't just flow, it boils. Picture this, a river so hot you could cook your breakfast in it. It's not a scene from a science fiction movie, but a reality in the heart of the Peruvian Amazon. The boiling river, known to locals as Shanay Timpishka, is a geological marvel. This isn't the result of a nearby volcano, as one might expect. No, this river of nearly 4 miles has its waters heated by geothermal sources. The water temperatures can reach up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than a fresh pot of coffee. The heat is produced by the Earth's crust. It's like the planet's own natural hot tub. But don't think about taking a dip, because this spa-like setting is far too hot for a leisurely soak. Just touching the water can cause severe burns. Now, isn't that something? A river that's not just a body of water, but a steaming, bubbling spectacle of nature's raw power. A boiling river, now that's a hot spot. Now we're off to the coldest place on Earth, Antarctica, where a waterfall runs blood red. A sight straight out of a horror movie, this isn't a scene of some otherworldly massacre, but a unique natural phenomenon taking place right here on Earth. The bloodfalls get their eerie crimson hue from iron-rich water that seeps from the Taylor Glacier. As this ancient iron-laden water hits the oxygen in the air, it rusts on contact, creating a shocking blood-red cascade against the stark white of the surrounding ice. This iron-rich water has been trapped inside the glacier for over 2 million years, cut off from light and heat. It's a subterranean ecosystem that survives in complete darkness, extreme cold, and without any oxygen. Remarkable, isn't it? Scientists' studies on this rare occurrence not only provide insight into the past climate of Earth, but also potential life on other planets. So it's not just a creepy spectacle, but a key to unlocking some of the universe's deepest mysteries. The bloodfall's a chilling sight indeed. Next, we're heading to Australia, where a lake isn't just blue, it's pink. In a country known for its outlandish wildlife and stunning landscapes, Australia still manages to surprise us with this natural wonder. Nestled in the southern coast of Western Australia, the Pink Lake is an eye-catching spectacle that seems to defy the norms of nature. Now you might be wondering, what makes this lake pink? The answer lies in a unique type of microalgae known as Dunaliella salina. This algae thrives in the lake's high salt content and produces a red pigment called beta-carotene, the same pigment that gives carrots their color. When the conditions are just right with plenty of sunlight and low rainfall, the algae multiply and the lake takes on a striking pink hue. No, it's not an optical illusion. Yes, it's real. Australia's Pink Lake is a testament to nature's whimsicality, a place where the usual rules of color don't apply. A pink lake, now that's a sight for sore eyes. Our next destination is Madagascar, where a forest isn't made of trees but stone. Welcome to the Stone Forest, an astonishing labyrinth of towering limestone pillars that stretches as far as the eye can see. This isn't some magical creation from a fantasy novel, but a remarkable natural wonder shaped by millions of years of erosion. Imagine, if you will, a time when this area was a vast expanse of sea. Over time, layers upon layers of shells and tiny marine organisms accumulated, forming limestone deposits. As the sea receded, wind and rain began to sculpt these deposits, creating an intricate maze of pinnacles and towers that we now know as the Stone Forest. It's a place that defies the usual expectations of a forest. Instead of leafy canopies, you'll find jagged peaks. Instead of tree trunks, you'll walk among towering stone pillars. It's a testament to the power of nature, a place where time has chiseled a forest out of stone, a forest made of stone. Now that's rock solid. Our final destination is Venezuela, where a storm doesn't last a few hours, it's eternal. Imagine a place where the sky is a constant canvas for nature's most spectacular light show. Welcome to the Catatumbo River, home to the world's longest-lasting lightning storm. This isn't your typical storm, my friends. Sparked by a unique cocktail of atmospheric conditions, this lightning storm is like no other. Warm, moist air from the Caribbean Sea meets the cool mountain air of the Andes, creating an electrically charged battleground. This epic clash of air masses results in a jaw-dropping spectacle of up to 28 lightning strikes per minute, illuminating the night sky with a mesmerizing dance of electricity. But it's not just about the show. The storm also plays a significant role in replenishing the Earth's ozone layer, making it an indispensable part of our planet's atmospheric balance. So if you're ever in the mood for an electrifying adventure, remember there's a place on Earth where the storm never ends. An eternal lightning storm, now that's electrifying. And there you have it, folks, 10 unbelievable places that actually exist. We've ventured from the fiery pits of Turkmenistan's door to hell, to the vibrant hues of China's Rainbow Mountains. We've marveled at the ethereal glow of Maldives beaches and delved into the depths of Mexico's Crystal Cave. We've plunged beneath the surface at Mauritius's underwater waterfall and felt the heat at Peru's boiling river. We've witnessed the eerie beauty of Antarctica's blood falls and admired the natural vibrancy of Australia's Pink Lake. We've journeyed through the towering formations of Madagascar's stone forest and stood beneath the ceaseless spectacle of Venezuela's eternal lightning storm. Each of these places, in their own unique way, challenges our understanding of what's possible in this incredible world. They inspire a sense of adventure, wonder, and the unquenchable curiosity to explore beyond the familiar. So which of these unbelievable places would you love to visit? Drop a comment below and let us know. Until next time, keep adventuring.